So there are a lot of AI tools nowadays, so listen to me very closely because you have two choices when it comes to AI tools. It's either you can adopt it or you can get left behind. The reality of the situation, most of the AI tools everyone swears by will not help you in any meaningful way. So here's what I mean. An AI tool should either make you more money or it should save you more time. AI tools should make your workflow seamless, not add complexity to them. So today I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you make more money or save more time. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about AI tools, how to get rich with AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, back in the day, creating your website requires a lot of skills and training. I mean, you need to be proficient in several coding languages, and you also have to design everything, and only then would you be able to actually fill in the pages with your copy. This entire process could take weeks, sometimes even months, depending on the complexity of the website. It was long, atrocious, and most importantly, an expensive process. And in the late 90s, even the most basic websites could cost upwards of $20,000. Then tools came like WordPress and Wix, and these tools drastically brought costs down, and all of a sudden most people could build at least a very basic website. But even since this came out recently, one problem has remained. No matter how you put it, building a good website, however simple it is, will take a long time. I mean, sure, nowadays you don't have to code everything yourself. You could kind of just put in whatever you want into a website builder, but even then, it still takes time to get the design right. It takes time to write the copy, and it takes time to learn how to use the website builders themselves. But this is where the web.io AI tools comes in handy. You can use AI to build your entire website for you. It will design your website, it will build it, write copy, and even source and insert the imagery in a matter of minutes to having a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing website. All you needed to give to this AI is some basic information, and then with a few minutes it will go ahead and provide you with a powerful website. For our next tool, it's called Opus Clip. You see, Opus Clip is extremely useful. Opus Clip is able to take any long-form video and with one click, turn your long-form content into short-form content. Now, the best part about this tool is that the AI is able to find the best hooks in the video and piece them together with the relevant highlight to pretty much cut out all of the boring stuff, and that means your chances of virality are much higher. And the AI Copilot also allows you to clip parts of a video based on a keywords. Now, this is easily one of the highest ROI tools on this list, especially considering how prevalent short-form content is. And you know as well as I, the short form content is not going anywhere. Opus Pro can not only save you time in editing and money in hiring, but you can also build a business around it. Of course, by now, the industry is not stranger to short form agencies, but just like there is plenty of them, does it mean that they no longer work? That means tools like Opus Pro can actually make you tons and tons of money and attract millions of eyeballs. Now, the next AI may just be the most useful AI on this list, and that's Microsoft Copilot. Copilot directly complements Microsoft's entire suite of products. That means it's able to do anything from analyzing Excel, spreadsheets, to making full-blown PowerPoints. I mean, Copilot can even transcribe notes during a Microsoft team meeting and provide you with a summary of the key points and action items, and even execute on action itself. So let's say one of those action items was to make a presentation. Copilot is able to create a tailor-made presentation to your desired branding guidelines. I mean, we've all made powerful presentations before that. With this tool alone, it could literally save you hours. Copilot also knows your calendar and therefore can prepare you for upcoming meetings. It can even generate reports and other Word documents based on the previous work. And of course, it can also reply to all of your emails. Copilot is one of the best examples of AI making your workflow more seamless and efficient. It's an AI tool that anyone can take advantage of regardless of their occupation. And especially if you ever use one of Microsoft's products, Copilot will be useful to you. To begin with, you see, prior to AI, you'd have to spend hours on a task or spend money to hire someone to spend hours on the exact task. Well, now, you exactly have an employee for a fraction of that cost. And that is called Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly doesn't fall under the same umbrella. You see, Adobe Firefly actually allows you to do things that otherwise would never been possible. And in the process of that, this AI is incredibly valuable. Not only it can make your work easier, but you can also make it to 100 times better, which of course you will make more money. So let me explain how it works. Adobe Firefly is a generative AI-powered content creation tool. That means it can simply create things. Now, Firefly can help you create realistic image from detailed text, and this is incredibly useful if you need any sort of products photography or any other scenario when you need to depict something. Now, normally, you need a whole team of graphic designers and artists, whereas now you can simply ask the AI to do it for you. And that means you're able to elevate your work drastically without elevating your cost. The second thing is Firefly has something called generated fill. And that means it can either draw in or erase object in your photo. So if you want to wear a different outfit in that photo, this AI can do that for you. It can do things that otherwise be impossible or would have taken a Photoshop expert to do. Even then, Firefly does it in a way that it completely looks natural. It can also turn your sketches into photorealistic images and so much more if you work with any sort of content creation. Firefly will be a must-have tool both for easy fixes and for exploring completely new ideas. And soon, Firefly will even be able to generate images from 3D elements. And as you can see from the video above, Adobe Firefly is now creating on its own video editing AI. It will be able to help you get your B-rolls, stock footage, or edit something crucial inside your video clip. So just go ahead and watch out for Adobe Firefly updates. So that will be our discussion for today. Hopefully these tools help you make money and save you time. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.